Need to install twist lock fasteners in your enclosure curtains? We may have the world's fastest technique here.
So I have my twist lock hole cutter installed on the Sayrite HandyPress, and I've already set the sweep compression. By setting the HandyPress in the middle of your workstation, you can actually just drop your panel and position it exactly where you want it to be, so that the prongs and the hole are positioned right where you want it. And then you can just depress the trigger or the lever, and your hole is installed. Then all you need to do is just move it to the next fastener. This is a super fast way to do this. No more hammering and pounding on anything. And position it, and you've got a backstop like this. And I can tell that my fastener is straight. Depress the lever. Really easy way to install twist lock fasteners.
Slits and ovals are cut. Now it's time to switch dies in the HandyPress.
So now I have my twist lock, and this part goes on the outside surface, and we just push it through, and then I position it over top of my setter for the twist lock fastener, and then I put my washer, whether it be the oversized or this washer, and I've already set the compression. We have a video for that. And then just depress the lever and move on to your next one.
If you mark fabric panels for fasteners and then take the panels to the shop to install them, you may want to consider using the HandyPress with portable base. This gives you the ability to position the press deeper on your workbench, so your fabric assembly or your enclosure panels can rest on the tabletop as you punch holes and install the fasteners.
Bends all four prongs all at the same time. Sweet.
As you can see, it makes the job of installing twist lock fastener eyelets twice as fast. And it's so easy to pull that lever on the HandyPress to punch holes or set your fastener. The links for all these tools are in the description below or in the product tags. I'm Eric Grant, and from all of us here at Sayrite, thanks for watching.